Next, Pulamavi II. He is the son of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. He is also called Vasistiputra Shatakarni. Why? His mother name is Vasisti, so his name is Vasistiputra Shatakarni. Coming to the titles of Pulamavi II, Dakshinapateshwara, Navanagara Swami. Why? He established the Navanagaram town. He also built Amaravati Stupa. Pulamavi II shifted the capital from Pratisthanapur to Amaravati after building the stupa. He was defeated by Rudradama, Saka ruler. During his period, Gautami Balasri issued Nasik inscription. Regarding Nasik inscription, I have clearly explained about the inscription in inscriptions video. If you haven't watched, please do check out once. Next, after Pulamavi II, his brother Vasistiputra Shivasri Shatakarni ruled the Shatavahana dynasty. His titles are Kshatrapa. He was defeated by Rudradama and later Rudradama's daughter married him. He repaired Sudarshana tank, who Vasistiputra Shivasri Shatakarni repaired Sudarshana tank, and he is the first king in Satavahana dynasty who gave coins in two languages. Those are Tamil and Prakrit. He gave the coins in two languages, Tamil and Prakrit. Vasistiputra Shivasri Shatakarni. Next, Yagnasri Shatakarni. Yagnasri Shatakarni was the greatest of the last Satavahana kings. His title is Trisamudradishwarudu. Coming to the commander of Yagnasri Shatakarni is Vijayagupta. During Yagnasri Shatakarni period, international trade and commerce was advanced well. During his period only, Matsya Puranam was. I have already discussed about this point in the Satavahana dynasty Puranam video. If you haven't watched, please do check out. Next, he gave Chinaganjam and Guntupalli inscriptions. In Tamil literature, Yagnasri Shatakarni referred as Posada Sattan. What? Posada Sattan in Tamil literature. Who? Yagnasri Shatakarni. He is the greatest of the last Satavahana kings. During Yagnasri Shatakarni period, Acharya Nagarjuna, Buddhist monk, came to his court from Kanishka court. He built Parvata Mahavihara to Acharya Nagarjuna, who Yagnasri Shatakarni built Parvata Mahavira to Acharya Nagarjuna. Yagnasri Shatakarni gave both symbol coins. They are appeared near Chebrolu, Amaravati and Nagarjuna Konda. Who built the Amaravati town? Amaravati Stupa. Please do comment the answer. His Senapati is Bhavagopudu, whose Yagnasri Shatakarni Senapati is Bhavagopudu. During his time, there was a lot of trade with Rome. Next, we will discussing about the last inefficient rulers of Satavahana dynasty. By this, political history of Satavahana dynasty will be completed. So, let's start it. Vijayasri Shatakarni. He is the 28th Satakarni ruler. He established a town Vijayapuri near Sri Parvatam. Later, it became capital of Ikshvakus. I will explain about the Ikshvakus in the next coming videos. Next, Chandasri Shatakarni. His coins were found at Andhra region near Krishna and Godavari district. His inscriptions were found at Taharala, which is present near Nagarjuna Konda. Next, coming to the last ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, Pulamavi III. He is the 30th Satakarni ruler. He was defeated by his commander Sri Shantamula. After that, Pulamavi III left the kingdom and fled away to Bellari and ruled from there for a while. And all this can be known through Mykodoni inscription. Mykodoni inscription is the very important inscription which tell about the fall of Satavahana kingdom. And this was issued by Pulamavi III. Please do comment where the Maikadoni inscription was found. I have already explained about inscription videos. Next, in the coming videos of Satavahana dynasty, we are going to discuss about the administrative system, social conditions, economic conditions of Satavahana dynasty. Sorry, I forgot to discuss one point in Yagnesri Shatakarni slide. Yagnesri Shatakarni was the greatest ruler in last Satavahana kings. Acharya Nagarjuna, who came to Yagnesri Shatakarni court from Kanishka court, he dedicated the text Suhruleka to Yagnesri Shatakarni. Suhruleka, which was written by Acharya Nagarjuna, a Buddhist monk. In the most of the exam, the question was asked like this: who is contemporary to Acharya Nagarjuna? And the answer is Yagnesri Shatakarni is the contemporary king of Satavahana dynasties to Acharya Nagarjuna, a Buddhist monk. Thank you.